Mojang might be adding a sculk dimension. The Minecraft 1.19 update has finally been fully released, and I think it contains evidence suggesting a sculk dimension, like this giant portal-looking thing within ancient cities. Built with the brand new indestructible block called Reinforced Deep Slate, the structure looks exactly like an enlarged nether portal. However, you can't light it up or anything. I'm not sure if Mojang intentionally hid this, but in older snapshots, one of the mini structures within ancient cities was called Portal Statue in the game files. And looking at a portal statue and what I'm calling the giant portal side by side, they look remarkably similar. Mojang actually changed the name of this tiny structure at some point, but Mojang, you can't hide things from me. The new music disc, which can only be found within ancient cities, might also contain evidence suggesting a sculk dimension. The recording sounds like an explorer entering the portal in the middle of the ancient city, transporting themselves to the dimension of the sculk. They accidentally run into a warden, leading it back through the portal, releasing sculk and wardens into the overworld. Do you think that